How to turn on ask where to save files on your Google Chrome. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn on or off ask where to save files on Google Chrome. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Google Chrome. Now click on those 3 points up there and click on settings. Scroll down and click on downloads. And here you have the second option, which is ask where to save files. You can turn on and off wherever you want. And just this is it guys. Hope this video was helpful to you. It was so easy and quick. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and also don't forget to like.